This audit looked at Child Protective Services cases across the state, and they found mistakes in how the agency handled some allegations of child abuse. They say those mistakes may be putting kids in danger. It's Child Protective Services, or CPS, handling all cases of alleged abuse and neglect appropriately. According to a recent state investigation, the answer is no.
We need to peel back the onion and figure out how to make the system work better.
That's State Senator Barbara Favola, who chairs the Senate's Social Services Committee. She agreed to talk with me about this audit filed in September by Virginia's Office of the Inspector General. It found that CPS's screening of cases was not always handled in accordance with state code and CPS requirements.
I know that the Department of Social Services is working with local child protective service agencies to understand better what is going on the ground.
CBS 6 discovered the audit through our reporting on alleged abuse cases at a Chesterfield preschool. Court documents show that the Chesterfield CPS agency received reports of a teacher who allegedly spanked students, pulled their hair, grabbed their necks, and smacked their faces. However, police say that CPS screened out or essentially dismissed those cases, and we've been trying to find out why. Now, the state's investigation looked into cases across Virginia, and they found several instances where CPS screened out cases that they should not have, or they did not respond to allegations with enough urgency. Auditors noted that human error might occur when caseworkers receive reports, but that this work requires a certain amount of professional judgment. They also said there could be danger to children if the referral is screened out when it should have been screened in as a valid case.
I think folks don't really fully understand the complexity of Child Protective Services and how much training an individual truly needs to enter a situation that is very traumatic.
The audit recommended that employees go through at least annual training on CPS guidance. The State Department of Social Services agreed, but said that their training program has been historically under-resourced. In fact, back in 2017, an outside institution created this 126-page report addressing social services training needs, but lawmakers never funded it.
And that's something the General Assembly needs to act on.
But department leaders say the real issue here goes beyond training, as social services workers grapple with high turnover, low pay, and extreme stress.
To put an annual training requirement on somebody who isn't staying in their job 2 years has limited effectiveness.
And that was a deputy commissioner for state social services. And I just want to note this audit did not specifically reference mishandling of cases in Chesterfield County. You can read more of the findings online at WTVR.com. In the studio, I'm Tyler Lane, CBS 6 News.